Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a Linjer jewelry unboxing plus a review and an update from my last jewelry pieces that I got from them from like 4 months ago, and the other pieces that I have from them for like 2 years now, and they are still holding up good. But later I'm going to show you more like close-up looks so that you can see how they are holding up. So first, if this is your first time to hear about Linjer, if you're my subscriber and you watch my video, you have seen my Linjer review videos here because I post them like 3 or 4 times already, because I really love this brand. They are female founded brand with a name originated from Norwegian world lines, in reference to their simple and minimal design. As you can see from their website, they have not so many stuff, like not overwhelming with like so many stuff to choose. They have very few jewelry pieces, and actually they even sell bags. I'm going to start with unboxing, and then later I'll be back here and I'll give you guys those updates. Their packaging always is super simple and minimal. Sustainability is a core value of Linjer as a brand. Their efforts include using recycled and sustainable packaging, and they are using recycled materials where possible, including 100% recycled gold and silver. Linjer as a brand, they fight against fast fashion and make their product to last. Their products have luxury standard with very affordable price. They are direct to consumers brand. They cut out the middleman and sell direct to their consumers through their online store. Their gold vermeil pieces use a sterling silver base plated with super thick layer of 22K gold. They also have solid gold pieces, but if solid gold is out of your budget, I'll advise you to go for gold vermeil. Even those pieces, they'll last you for a very long time. The first ring that I'm going to show you is this dome ring, Ariel. This is the ring, and I'm going to show you here the screenshot from their website. And this one was €78. It has this super chunky detail. Look how beautiful is this. This is everything. One thing I love about Linjer is their gold details, because they use gold vermeil and they have this like very beautiful color of gold compared to like my original color of my wedding ring. As you guys can see, compared to this one, I prefer this type of like gold color, which is so beautiful. I didn't know my ring size, so I had to watch a few videos on YouTube on how to measure your ring size, and I took like a paper with a ruler, which is so easy and simple. If you want me to show you how to measure your ring size, I am going to do it. So if the ring is going to fit me, I'm going to show you the tutorial. If the ring is not going to fit me, then I think you'll have to find another way to know your ring size. So let me take this ring off. First update, even this one is from Linjer. Look how beautiful is this ring, and it has this like flower detail, so cute. I had this ring for like 7 months and it's still like beautiful. As you can see, look, it looks good as new. It has that like shiny detail still, and the diamond inside, these are fake diamonds, and the diamonds inside, they still look so good. So if you're going to get this ring, you don't have to worry about sizing because it's adjustable. As you can see, sometimes I wear this here or sometimes I wear it here, like in my middle finger. You can see it's so easy to take off. Like I just put it like this, and now you can even put it back. Look how cute is this. I hope this one is going to fit me because I really wanted this ring. Okay, let's see. Okay, because I took a measurement with this finger here. Oh my goodness, it fits so perfectly. Look at that. During Linjer's Mother's Day sale, get 25% off using my code MLifestyle25. Plus, I have a link with everything I mentioned in this video in the description down below. Another ring that I got is this stacking ring Lilian Gold Vermeil, which was €29. Let me show you a little bit closer to see the detail. It has this like braid detail. If you like to layer your rings, this one will be perfect. Okay, let's see if this one is going to fit, because I took a measurement with my middle finger. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, a little bit difficult, but I think my skin is super dry, so yeah, but it fits so perfectly. But I'm not going to wear these rings together. As you can see, they all have like same type of details, so I'm going to show you like how I'm going to like style this. I think I'm going to wear this one down like that. This is how I will style my ring if I want to wear like 3 rings together. And actually I have another ring which is old too from Linjer, is this one here. I don't remember the name of this ring, but I'm going to put the name here in the screenshot of the ring. This is the ring. I had these two, like I got this ring together with this one, so even this one I have it for like 7 months or something, like more than 5 months, and it still looks so beautiful. Look at that, like the color of this gold. They're gold vermeil pieces. They have very beautiful color, which I love. I am going to wear this ring here. So cute. Another thing that I got, which I wanted to for like a very long time, are these chunky hoops Joran Gold Vermeil. This one, they were €95. They are just so simple and beautiful at the same time. As you can see, they are super chunky and small. Okay, I'm going to take my earrings off. Even these earrings, they are from Linjer. Look how beautiful are these. I don't remember when I got these earrings, but as you can see, they are still in good shape, and I wear these like almost like every week or every other week, because nowadays I really love to change my earrings. Before, I was that type of girl who used to wear like same earrings like every day. So now I'm trying to like build my jewelry collection, which is amazing. They are so easy to close and open, but if you are going to close this, you have to be like super careful and make sure like you close this well. You'll have to hear that tip sound. As you can see, let me show you a little bit close up of these earrings too. These are the earrings, so simple and beautiful. So happy that I've even got this case, which I'm going to show you well later. So I'm going to put my earrings there. So these are the earrings. Look how beautiful are these. So cute. Let me put the other one. So easy to put on. Look how beautiful are these. So beautiful. I'm not going to take these off. I'm going to wear these today. Another thing that I got is this mini travel jewelry case, which is so simple. Look how small this is. This is so small, you guys. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but this is super small, like this small and this small, which will be perfect for travel. And even like right now, I have already started to put some earrings here, and it has these, can you see the detail? It has this Linjer logo detail here, which is so cute. This one was only €9.90, which is super affordable, and the material of this, like, it has very good thick material, as you can see. Like, if you want to get anything from this haul, you can use my link in the description down below. There you'll find everything that I got from Linjer from years ago to this year, and I am going to show you all of those pieces today so that you can see like how they are holding up. As I mentioned before, I showed you the other jewelry pieces. Now I'm going to show you this necklace. If you watch my video, you have seen this necklace before. As you can see, you guys, this one still looks so good. gold, which is everything. And the necklace still look good too. As you can see, it still has that shining like detail. And this one is gold vermeil, not solid gold. I am super happy with these pieces, which are just gold vermeil, because they last me for a very long time. So you don't have to break a bank if you want to get like good quality jewelry pieces. If you want to get some of these pieces in like silver, you can find them. They have them in silver plus gold vermeil. Let me show you other pieces that I got from Linjer. These earrings. I wanted to forget to show you the bracelet, but I'm going to show you this later. Okay, these are the earrings that I got from them. I don't remember when, but I'm going to put it here. And these earrings, they are still in good shape. Like the gold detail is still like shiny. As always, Linjer's pieces, they always have these like yellow gold color, which is so beautiful. And these ones, they come in like 3 pieces, but the other one I gave to someone as a present. Another thing that I got from them like 1 year ago is this bracelet here. Look how beautiful is this. And as you guys can see for yourself, like the gold detail from this bracelet, it's still shiny. It looks good as new. One of my favorite bracelets is this tennis bracelet. Look at the detail of this. It looked so expensive. Look at that. I really love this. Another bracelet is this inspirational bracelet, which says you got this. So if you're looking for a present for like a friend, a sister, I don't know, your cousin, I would highly recommend to get this inspirational bracelet. And they have other 2. One says stay strong and the other one says choose happy, which are so nice, you guys. So if you're looking for like a simple present, I would highly recommend to get these bracelets. And they are super affordable too. I don't remember the price of these, but I'm going to put the price here so that you can see. So if you're going to get anything from Linjer, please use my link in the description down below. I hope I will have like a discount code. I am going to put it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next. Bye.